Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and beautiful pattern. This pattern can be used in your jean sweater, baby's blanket, ladies sweater. This is the look of this pattern. See, I have done 2 repeats here. This is 1 repeat and this is 2 repeat. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So this is 20 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast on multiples of 16 plus 8 extra stitch. This pattern is made of 8 and this pattern is made of 8. So 8 plus 8, 16, 16 and plus 8 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 26 stitches on my needle, which is 16 plus 8 extra stitch 24 and 2 edge stitch 26. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. Knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Knit 8 and then purl 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish your all repeats for a last 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 8 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Your last 9 stitch, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows you will knit on edge stitch and purl stitch. So your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 8. See, purl on purl. Purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Purl 8 and knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your last 9 stitch, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and your edge stitch purl. So we have done row 1 and row 2 here. Now for row 3, 4. Now for row 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For these 6 rows we're going to knit as row 1 and row 2. We're going to repeat these 2 rows 3 more times. So I'm going to repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, 3 more times and then I'll come back. So I have done this much here and I have done row 8. I have just finished my row 8. Now row 9. Now row 9 we're gonna make this pattern here. See this pattern. So row 9, your edge stitch slip and these 8 stitches, these 4 and these 4, we're gonna twist these 4 to the left way. So to twist these 4 to the left way, we're gonna bring this 4, last 4 here from the back side. So pick up this last 4 stitch from the back and bring it here, bring this 4 here, 1 2 3 4 and knit 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Twist 8 and knit 8, and here knit 8. This time knit all 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 8 and knit 8 and then knit 8. 2 4 6 8. This is the repeat, and after you finish all of this, for a last 9 stitch I'm going to do like here. Bring this 4 stitch here from the back side and twist this 4 to the left way. Bring this 4 here and knit all these 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. See, and now row 10. For row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11. Now from row 11 you're going to knit this pattern here and this pattern here. You're going to do purl 8 here and knit 8 here. So row 11, your edge stitch slip, and start the repeat from here. Purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Purl 8 and knit 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 8, 2 4 6 8, knit 8, 2 4 6 8, and last 9 stitch. Purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 12, wrong side, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, knit 8 and then purl 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. That's the repeat. Knit 8 and purl 8, and your last 9 stitch. Knit 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and your edge stitch yarn in front, purl on the wrong side. So we have done here row 11 and row 12. Now for row 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. For these 6 rows, you're going to need is row 11 and 12. We're going to repeat these 2 rows, row 11 and row 12, 3 more times. So I'm going to repeat these 2 rows, row 11 and 12, 3 more times, and then I'll come back. Row 19, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit 8 and twist this 8 stitch to the left way. So bring this 4 here from the back side. And knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and then knit 8, twist 8 and knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Last 9 stitch, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 20, for row 20, last row, purl all stitches. Sorry. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 20 rows, row 1 to row 20, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.